Hey everybody, it's your lovely Lotus Blossom Lizzie, and we're gonna do a spot of a garden haul. And I really haven't purchased that much this year, and I haven't purchased that much today either, but there was a few things that I found when I was out today that I wanted to share like immediately, because I thought it might be something you could use if you have these stores in your area. Y'all can go ahead and give this video a thumbs up now. Right now, you can give this video a thumbs up and we can get that right out of the way. All right, so I went to a few places. We will start at Lowe's. So I went to Lowe's, and while I was there, I picked up some paint sticks. They have like these are the 5-gallon paint sticks, and I'm going to use these for markers. You can get them for free, but you got to be careful how many you pick up. It said on the sign only one, but I took 3 because I didn't feel like they were going to stop me, and they didn't. So every time I go, I'll pick a few up and I'll use those in the garden. The mosquitoes are out. And also, while I was there, I picked up some nails. These are actually roofing nails. They were 38 cents a piece. And I'm going to use these for the pieces of pallet that I'm using for my walkway. So I needed some more. So whenever I go, I never get as many as I need because I don't want to spend that much money at one time. So these are like a treat for me. So I got like $6 worth of nails, and I still need a lot more, but that's okay. So, and also while I was there, I got this, which is called, they're called bar ties, and you'll see this on another video. I'm going to be using these for steaks as well because y'all, wire is expensive. So these are actually pieces of wire that I can cut, but again, I'll show you on another video. But this was like $3, and I'm using those for plant tags as well. I also went to Aldi's, and I found, let me see, y'all, it's a vertical stacker. Can y'all see that on there? It's a vertical stacker for really big plants. Let me see what this says. It says each tier can hold 3 separate plants, which we can see. You'll see that. Does it already have holes? It already have holes in the bottom of it, so I don't have to put holes in there. It doesn't say how big each container is, but y'all, that's pretty big. And so I couldn't pass this up. So you get 3 of them for like, it's about $14 after tax. So I really wanted to show this to y'all, because if you have an Aldi's in your area, this is new. I never seen these there before. Y'all can let me know if you've seen them in your store before. And I haven't been to Aldi's for about 2 weeks, so within the last 2 weeks they've gotten these. And I really wanted to pick up more, but I really don't have the money for it, so that was a no. And I got me some pizza while I was there. I went to Harbor Freight, and I forgot what I was looking for at Harbor Freight, but I ended up getting some binoculars, which is not garden related, but I'm going camping on Monday. And I need some binoculars because I want to do a little bird watching. So I've been wanting some binoculars, and this is the first time I've seen at Harbor Freight some binoculars. Not that they don't have them, I have never seen them. Okay, next is a Z Dollar store. I went to a few stores, y'all. Went to the dollar store, and they had these clips. Y'all, I don't think I ever seen these clips. These are like the heavy duty clips. They're real strong. And I have some of these in the garden already. So I grabbed a few packs of these because when I get that big garden bed together, I want to put up shade, and I'm gonna need these. So before I don't see them again, I went ahead and picked these up. They were in the automotive section. And I'm sorry for talking so fast. Sometimes I get excited when I'm talking to you. And then I got this, it's an over the towel bar. So you can use this in your house too. It actually can make it longer or shorter. You can kind of adjust it. Yeah, I have to look to make sure they were even. I'll be using this out in the garden, and you'll see how I'm going to use this also. But I was like, let me go ahead and pick that up. For $1.25, I'm willing to test anything. As long as I don't pick up 20 items, that's $1.25. I got these tacks, and you'll see how I'll be using these out in the garden. I don't expect these to last through 15 seasons of gardening, but you never know. I have some things that I've had in the garden since day one, and this is my 4th season, so yay for that. I picked up some bottles. I wanted some smaller bottles, but this is all they had. And with bottles, y'all, you kind of get what you pay for, so we're gonna see how long these last for. I purchased this wire here again for some projects in the garden as well. It's kind of thin. I opened one up while I was in the store and I purchased that one. So I'm thinking if I double up the wire, I might be able to use these for plant tags also. So we're gonna see. These were in the automotive section also. And I got like 2 little bundles of red and 2 bundles of black in the same pack. So all that, a good test again for $1.25. And then they also had kitty litter trays, which I haven't seen there, not at my dollar store. It's pretty big too. So I'm gonna use this to plant some stuff out. And it is, again, you get what you pay for. It's like really flimsy, and I really don't expect this to last through the whole season, but we shall see. Basically, that's pretty much all I got. I was gonna get some seeds at the dollar store, but they are on empty for the dollar stores that I went to. Sometimes you have to roll around, and find the dollar stores that have the things that you're looking for. But I had already rolled around quite a bit. So again, y'all give this video a thumbs up. And also subscribe if you like more videos like this. There's more to come. We're going to be doing our garden diaries, and also the garden tour is going to be coming up as well, and some more projects that I'd like to share. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and shove off, and you all have a beautiful gardening day. Bye.